So these past few days haven't been, the best. Mainly because one of my friends, Garland, he passed away on Monday. God, I don't even know if I should be making this right now. It's been pretty hard on all of us. It's especially hard for me because, I've never had anyone somewhat close to me die. I talked to him the night before till like midnight or something. And the funny thing was, he just wouldn't stop complimenting me and he was just being so nice.